Анимацията не е просто работа. Ето какво ни споделиха нашите аниматори.
I learned a lot of new things, how to work alone, how to work in a team, how to manage in stressful situations, and how to work with different types of people and kids.
I decided to work as a kids entertainer because I would like to work with kids in the future, and this would help me create a picture on how it would be like. And also I chose to be here because it felt like it, and I was right.
I learned how to work better in a team, to be more patient, more organized, and these skills will be definitely help me in the future.
I think that the most challenging part for me has been to make all the kids happy at the same time, because kids are different and everyone likes different things, so you have to think fast for other options.
In a small team, everything feels more personal and the bonds are more stronger. While in a big team, there's more dynamic. So personally, I enjoy more the small team because the connection between people becomes close.
Следващата звезда в екипа може да си ти. Просто ни остави коментар, аниматор.